Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to auto translate Instagram story caption. So that method that I will show you guys, it affects everything. It affects stories, reels, even posts. So every video that I will went through, it will be translated, and also the caption will be in it. So what I want to do, guys, is to go into these three lines. Before that, I want you to head over into your Instagram profile, of course. Alright, so go into these three lines, and I just want to scroll down until you can see the accessibility settings. This one, accessibility and translations. Tap on it. And right here, as you can see, there are three options: translations, captions, and the dark mode. As you can see, I have made the dark mode on my phone, so if I turn off, it will be on the white mode. Alright, so that's not the subject of our video. What I'm about to show you is the translation right here. So I want you to tap on translation, and I want you to tap on translate text on reels. Alright, but when we go into the captions right here, I want you to tap on always show closed caption, and yeah, it will be directly affected on the stories also. Anyways, yeah, this solution, if you have any of this uh, options toggled on, I want you to toggle the first option and forget about these two options. Anyways, guys, this is the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.